You take a single bite of your meal. Within seconds, sweat forms on your forehead, and your nose runs like a leaky faucet. Your immune system is quiet. You are not fighting a cold, the flu, or any underlying infection. Even if the food on your plate is room temperature, your body reacts as if you are physically burning from the inside out. The driver of this entire reaction is a natural chemical compound found inside chili peppers called capsaicin. To understand this bizarre response, we have to track capsaicin's journey into the body to see exactly how it breaks our normal sensory rules. Chewing your food releases millions of microscopic capsaicin molecules directly onto the surface of your tongue. These molecules bind chemically to specific heat-sensing receptors. They lock into place with precision. Your cells remain completely undamaged, with no physical burns occurring. The capsaicin simply mimics the electrical signal of actual high-temperature heat. This false signal races up your nervous system, carrying an urgent message from your mouth to your brain. Capsaicin acts as a biological hacker, bypassing your taste buds to force your nervous system into hallucinating a state of extreme heat. Your brain receives this intense signal and interprets it as a literal biological emergency. To protect your internal organs, the brain launches an immediate system-wide cooling protocol. It triggers sweat glands to cool your skin and activates your tear ducts to flush your eyes. Your brain treats this heat as a physical irritant, the same way it would react to smoke or fire trying to enter your airways. Your nasal passages go into overdrive, rapidly producing excess mucus to block the perceived threat. This mucus flow attempts to wash away the imaginary irritant, acting as a physical shield for your respiratory system. This reaction is strictly proportional. Hotter peppers contain higher concentrations of capsaicin, leading to a louder biological alarm and a heavier mucus flush. That runny nose is a highly coordinated tactical defense mechanism triggered by a false alarm. Once this alarm is triggered, you face a practical problem. How do you shut it off? But water fails to stop the reaction. Because capsaicin is oil-based, water only spreads the molecules further around your mouth. The effective antidote is milk. Milk contains a protein called casein. Casein acts like a chemical crowbar, prying the capsaicin molecules off your receptors and breaking the bond. Once the connection is broken, the false alarm in the brain stops, and your cooling systems slowly deactivate. The next time you are sweating and sniffing through a spicy meal, look at it with a completely new perspective. That runny nose is proof of a perfectly functioning internal defense system. What is the spiciest food you've ever eaten? And how did your body react? Tell us in the comments below.